Here we're unboxing the Reserve R350 of Polk Audio. Again, this is a center channel speaker, but it can also be used for your left and right front speakers. So let's proceed with the unboxing. So actually this comes in several colors. You have black, white, or brown maroon, which is actually their wood finish. And what I ordered is actually the wood finish. Right, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. So of course you have your owner's manual, and which is quite thick for a single speaker. And then here of course you have the speaker itself, which is quite big actually. Jason is actually quite a big guy. And R350 is actually quite big for left and right speaker. So this can actually be wall hung, and which is the reason why I actually purchased this specific product, because I want to use it in wall. And yeah, I chose the wood finish. So as you can see here, beautiful wood finish there. You can see the turbine cones. It has 4-inch, right, Jason?
4-inch.
4-inch turbine cones, and of course the pinnacle twitter. Maybe you can take a look at the back a little. As you can see, you have there some keyholes that you can use to hang the speaker on your wall, and of course here you have your 2 binding posts as well. Right. So Jason's gonna mount it vertically because we're gonna use it as the left and right speaker. So yeah, but you purchased this by the piece. Okay, you purchased this by the piece. So I have yet to hear this actually. I already purchased it without, well, actually, yeah, without actually listening to it, because I was impressed with the sound of the bookshelves. So I thought this would actually even be better, you know. So Jason's gonna connect the left speaker later on, and then let's take a listen when everything's set up.